Factory of 448. So 448, it can be written as 2 times 224. 2 times 224 means 448. 224, it can be written as 2 times 112. 2 times 112 means 224. Now 112, it can be written as 2 times 56. 2 times 56 means 112. 56, it can be written as 2 times 28. 2 times 28 means 56. 28, it can be written as 2 times 7. Sorry. 2 times 14 means 28. 14, it can be written as 2 times 7. 2 times 7 means 14. So now we select the prime numbers among these numbers. So prime numbers here is 2, 2, 2, 2. These all 2 and at last 7. So we can write 448 is equal to product of all these prime numbers, that is 2 times these 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 2 and at last this 7. So this much for today and thanks for watching.